Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing $500 in sales, all while you were sleeping. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's the power of dropshipping, one of the fastest growing online business models in the USA. Today, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can start earning daily without lifting a finger. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without ever touching inventory. Instead of buying stock up front, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. You focus on marketing and building your store, while suppliers handle the packaging and delivery. That means no warehouses, no shipping headaches, and no massive startup costs. So how do people hit that magic number, $500 a day? It comes down to three things. Finding trending products, items people in the USA are already searching for, like fitness gear, home gadgets, or pet accessories. Building a simple online store. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to launch in just a few hours. Driving traffic, using social media ads, TikTok trends, or influencer shoutouts to get eyes on your products. When you combine these steps, even a few sales per day can add up to hundreds of dollars in profit. The beauty of dropshipping is automation. With apps that sync orders directly to suppliers, you don't have to manually process anything. Once your store is set up, sales can roll in while you sleep, giving you that money without lifting a finger lifestyle.